Just your thoughts on the sentencing hearing that wrapped up today for your client.
Well, I think both the Crown and I gave the judge a lot to think about. I have immense respect for Justice Dean. We've given him a lot to think about. You've heard my submissions are both present in court, so you know exactly what I'm speaking about. And I think we just wait and see now and give the Honourable Justice time to reflect on an appropriate sentence.
I know you asked for 3 months. Can you just summarize? I know you said it in court, but can you summarize why you think 3 months is appropriate?
Well, I gave those reasons in court, and there's a number of reasons why, but in part because he is such a young individual, that rehabilitation as opposed to punishment, I think, is a paramount consideration here. Also, it's the conduct in question. We're talking about the lowest of level in terms of recklessness. I don't think it would have ever entered these two young men's minds, just the level of damage. As well, I think the level of damage is potentially in dispute, but I'll leave those comments to what I said in court.
Can you talk to us a bit about the prospect of this $1 million restitution order?
I made a number of submissions in court, as you know, about that. I don't think it's realistic to believe that any of the three of us would easily pay such a sum of money over the course of a lifetime, let alone be saddled for that sum of money for something foolish, albeit criminal, at a young age. But we're talking, again, the very low culpability here, with unfortunately, significant damage and consequences. So one has to look, as I said in court, at the ability to pay, whether the amount in question is in dispute, whether there's more than one person that's potentially liable, whether the amount's readily ascertainable, what amounts can be compensated for under the criminal code lawfully, and what amounts may be part of a civil claim but not properly restored in a criminal proceeding, and any number of issues. The fact that the consequences, the ability to pay, the impact it can have on someone's ability to rehabilitate, and any other number of issues I may have raised in court. It's a complex area, as you could tell by the different factors that I summarized.